Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best tool belts for carpenters you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best carpenter's tool belts in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Occidental Leather 8089. For professionals using a tool belt every day of their working life, this Occidental Leather is a company that focuses entirely on developing tool belts of the highest quality. The Occidental Leather tool belt is adjustable, making it give you the right fit at all times. Available in various sizes, this belt is specifically designed for DIY enthusiasts to hold multiple tools at once. This tool belt by Occidental comes with multiple pouches to keep your tools secure. Keep all your tools in one place with the Occidental Leather 8089M Oxy-Lite 7-bag framer set. The Occidental Leather 8089M Oxy-Lite 7-bag framer set allows the right fit and prevents your pants from falling low. Made from premium materials, this tool belt is durable and lasts for years. So go ahead and continue your DIY and home improvement projects without having to go back and forth to fetch your tools, as the Occidental Leather 8089M Oxy-Lite 7-bag framer set has space to hold plenty of useful, common and household tools. For details, let's watch more. Our second best tool belts for carpenters is Gatorback B145 Carpenter's Triple Combo Back Support Belt. If you are a DIY project enthusiast and like to make DIY project regularly, then you can use this belt cause it's a high utility tool belt. It gives you an airy and comfortable feel, which makes it the perfect companion for people who sweat a lot when at work. All of the Gatorback sizing is based off the average fit for each size. If there is any issue with sizing, contact us before returning and we will send out the size you need free of charge. We like to look out for our customers. The Gatorback tool belts have a patented air channel designed to provide the user with a breathable, comfortable and sweat-free experience. Even the foam backing we use in our belts is an ultra-breathable material to keep the belt cool and comfortable. Every stress point on the pouches and on the belt are riveted and bar tacked to ensure the pouches hold up for a long time. The material used on every Gatorback item is heavy-duty 1250 Duratec nylon. This keeps the pouches rugged and durable but light enough to not weigh you down. The right side is our Carpenter's tool pouch W hammer loop. Center pouches are 8 inches deep single pouch, and the left side has our 7-pocket fastener tool pouch with wide, easy-to-access pockets. Third pick in our list is Dead On Tools Carpenter's Tool Belt. With 17 inside pockets and 7 outside pockets with a drill holder, this Dead On Tools Carpenter's tool is one of the best for DIY project enthusiast. The Dead On Professional 30-inch Carpenter suspension rig features 17 inside pockets and 7 outside pockets. The rig offers a drill holder, steel loop hammer holder, tape measure holder and more. The suspension rig has 100% gel padded suspenders to help provide for comfort, while the belt is adjustable to fit up to 52-inch waists. Fabric construction with belt and suspenders for convenience. Vinyl reinforced pouches, 3 main nail bags and cell phone holder. Number 4 in our side is Bucket Boss Tool Belt. Their tool belts and organizers have made a name for the company because of its low price and high utility. The Builder's Tool Belt is constructed for serious DIY projects. Made from 600 denier poly ripstop, this set includes an infinity belt that can be adjusted up to a 52-inch waist using thick steel grommets. Barrel bottom reinforced pouches allow extra carrying capacity and can be detached or repositioned on the belt. Made with one steel hammer holder and an additional loop for hammers or other long handled tools. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best Carpenter's tool belts list is Dickey's 4-piece Carpenter's rig. Dickey's Work Gear is another company that caters to the people who are looking for high-grade tool belts or tool holders without spending a lot of money. The 4-piece Carpenter's rig is an affordable tool belt that comes complete with suspenders to get you started instantly. It has suspenders that are adjustable from the front side and distribute the weight evenly when you are carrying heavy tools. 5-inch moisture wicking, mesh-backed waist belt adjusts from 32 to 50 inches to provide a comfortable custom fit. Fabricated of heavy-duty and rip-resistant canvas for durability. Left pouch has 3 wide opening pockets, 3 smaller tool pockets and 2 tool loops. Right pouch has a total of 7 pockets to store a variety of tools and supplies. Gel-padded moisture wicking mesh suspenders are front adjustable and designed to distribute weight evenly when carrying heavy loads.